king appointed a man as the minister of meteorology on the recommendation of his brother-in-law. One day, as the king was preparing to go hunting, he asked his minister of meteorology about the weather forecast. The minister confidently stated that the weather was excellent and would remain the same for the next few days, with absolutely no chance of rain. Satisfied with this assurance, the king set out on his hunting expedition with his army. On the way, he encountered a potter who warned him, "Your Majesty, the weather is about to worsen soon, and there is a high chance of rain." The king scoffed. "Oh, you, a mere potter who makes clay pots and loads them onto a donkey, what do you know about the weather? My minister has told me that the weather is perfect for hunting, and yet you claim that it will rain." Annoyed, the king ordered that the potter be given 2 blows as punishment for speaking nonsense. The order was carried out immediately, and after punishing the potter, the king proceeded to the forest for his hunt. However, within a short time, dark clouds gathered, and after about half an hour, thunder and lightning began, followed by heavy rain. The rain was so intense that the entire area turned into mud and swamps. The king forgot all about hunting as the forest became waterlogged. With no hope of continuing the hunt, he decided to return. Upon returning to his palace, the king took 2 actions. First, he dismissed the minister of meteorology from his position. Second, he summoned the potter to the royal court, rewarded him with gifts, and even offered him the position of minister of meteorology. The potter humbly folded his hands and said, "Your Majesty, how can an illiterate, ignorant man like me hold such an important position in the kingdom? I know nothing about meteorology. My only skill is making pots, baking them in a kiln, and selling them in the market. However, I do have one observation. Whenever my donkey loosens its ears and lets them droop, it means that rain is inevitable. This has been my experience, and my donkey has never been wrong in predicting the weather." Hearing this, the king made a historic decision. He appointed the potter's donkey as the new minister of meteorology,